folks, Mike and McGee here. Right off the bat, you're going to notice I'm wearing my Possum shirt. I haven't worn that since the KFC video. If you watch that video, you know a girl named McKenna gave me this shirt. Well, I got something in the mail recently from her dad, but then somehow in ink over top of his name, she wrote McKenna Watts. He told me that she wants to be more YouTube famous than she already is. So she wanted her name on this. So I'm going to take this as being from both of them, but especially from McKenna because she wants to be YouTube famous. So let's open this up. Sunday dinner. Southern Possum hot sauce, where every meal feels like Sunday dinner. Woo! Ingredients: Peter peppers, poblano peppers, water, vinegar, red wine vinegar, burgundy wine vinegar, lemon juice, cayenne pepper, salt, sugar, chili powder, garlic powder. My goodness gracious, that's going to be good. Now, right here, I've got something that we're going to try it with. I went and got a big old load of lumber for a job that's coming up this coming week. And on my way home, I hit this. I just run it over and killed it. So I was up at Troyer Post Buildings getting me a load of lumber. They give me this hat. They said, you can have the hat, but you got to have it on in a video. Folks, look at this. If you want a nice pole building, maybe you need a hay barn, maybe you just want a pole barn. For storage, I don't know what you need a building for, but call up Troyer Post. So here's their phone number. Give them a call. You can get a good deal if you ask for McGee's brother-in-law, Micah McGee. That's me. My brother-in-law works there, and he'll give you an extra special sweet deal on a hay barn, pole barn, whatever. So I took that lumber up here, and I just tied it to a tree and pulled it right off. That's the way any professional would do it, right? So on the way back, I said, I gotta look because I'm pretty sure Mr. Squirrel didn't get out of the way when I come through. Sure enough, there he was. So I just opened up the door, reached out and got him. I brought him home and I fixed him up. And he's been in my oven cooking, and he is tender now. I'm gonna shake him right out in here. I love cooking squirrel with aluminum foil. Now, if you want to know exactly how I do it, in the description to this video, you'll find a link to a video where I make this squirrel. And it looks a lot better than this because it wasn't run over by a truck. All right. McKenna, this is for you. Now, while I'm opening up this jar, I want to tell you this McKenna girl is a fisherman. And she caught a big old monster fish. She couldn't even get it in on her own. I want you to watch this. This is the girl that gave me this hot sauce and give me this shirt. McKenna.
No, really? That's
Daddy,
a big one.
Daddy, I can't.
Really?
Daddy, I can't.
He pulled a drag. That's a big one.
Daddy, can't. You get it, Daddy.
Here. That's a big one.
Really? Daddy.
So as you can see, that girl knows how to fish. Big old whopper. That really smells good. You want to take a little sniff of it?
Mm-hmm.
We've been eating some hot sauce that would scald the hair off an elephant. I don't think this is going to be all that extremely hot, but it might be. Who knows? Very tender, very delicious. All right. You want me to pour it in the plate or on the meat? I'm going to pour it in the plate. Now, you boys, I'm pulling this meat off the bone. If you bake it in aluminum foil, look how this meat just pulls off the bone. Just unbelievable. So tender. All right. Has this got a bone in it? Nope. All right. Help yourself, boys. Just dip in that hot sauce. Mmm. It is hot. It's got a immediate flavor of a real good, like a smoky paprika maybe. It tastes like that hot sauce that you like so much, don't it?
Kinda.
What was that stuff called? What was that stuff, that hot sauce, hot sauce called that he liked so much? Chalupi or something like that. I can't remember the name of it. But anyway, this is good stuff. It is spicy. It is. Everybody in my family is going to love it. It's a winner, McKenna. Sunday dinner, Southern Possum hot sauce. That stuff is good. I don't know if McKenna likes spicy food or not, but that is some good food. Look how, try that, man. That's a whole shoulder. Just pulled right off. Those of you that know how good squirrel is are already wishing you were sitting here at this table, because this is unbelievable. Let me pull off this back strap. Is it getting a little hot for you, son? No? A little more hot sauce. I got the heart there, Matt. You want the heart? We love heart meat. You got both back straps. I knew you would. Wow, McKenna, that is so good. Hot, ain't it? It's good, but you're wanting water, ain't you? Oh. That is some kind of good, let me tell you. Oh, McKenna, thank you so much. That is good. That will be on the table tonight for supper. Some people call it dinner, some people call it supper. I call it good stuff. Well, boys, tell Mr. McKenna thank you.
Thanks.
We sure appreciate it. Those of you who follow my channel a lot know that I love to cook and eat wild game. And if you're upset or grossed out because it's roadkill, you haven't followed this channel much anyway, because I got several roadkill videos. We enjoy it, don't we? If you're in the market for a good old hay barn or post head, call these guys down here, Troyer Post Buildings. They'll fix you right up. We're out of here. We hope you have a great day. We'll see you on the next video.